but we interact with vendors and ILL other libraries. What kind of impact will this have externally as well as internally? What about incremental adoption? If we have some records in BIBFRAME and some records in MARC, is that going to break a system or is that going to work? And what's going to happen in the greater library world if libraries are adopting at different times? And maybe we can learn how to get there smart. What investments libraries should make when, what things they should do in what order. So this is kind of what we hope to accomplish. Identify and collect the test data. So that will be the MARC records that we convert into BIBFRAME. By mapping that, so figure out how to map from MARC to BIBFRAME, and then explore getting this into a library system. How do we get it in? How do we get it out? And since we're going to be doing all this work, why don't we do like a discovery layer as well to see how this interacts on the user, this discovery layer. And then what about transferring this data in and out? So if there's a vendor out there who's actually willing to supply BIBFRAME records, can we load them into our system and play around with them? Can we send out BIBFRAME records to OCLC or to some other vendor? And so these are the deliverables, as I like to say. So at the end, we would like to have the sample test data sets, which are the records in BIBFRAME that we've converted from MARC, the code for the discovery layer system, and then the reports at the end, linking out to other projects because there's lists out there. We hope to interact with them, and the final reports. So this is a 2-year grant, and pretty much got started last May, and in the first 6 months, we're pretty much focused on communicating